morning everyone, it's Friday 15th of May and time to welcome you all to this week's Celebration Assembly. I'm so pleased to say you've all continued to send me your work, so I'm hoping that we'll have lots and lots of Emerald rewards today. Let's get started and have a look who's earned those rewards. So remember, you can earn an Emerald certificate for doing an exceptional piece of learning and sending that to your teacher. I wonder if you'll be able to count how many Emerald certificates there are today. Starting off with Rumi class. Children in Rumi class who've earned an Emerald certificate are Baha, Isra, Sienna, Sarah and Cable. Here's some more from Rumi class: Laura, Musa, Larissa and Lena. Well, next we've got Malala class. A big well done to all the children in Malala class who've earned them. That's Nicole, Soraya, Julia, Tasneem, Reva and Mudassir. In the final reception class, John Lennon class, children who've earned an Emerald certificate in John Lennon class are Sandy, Dylan, Karamshi and Inay. Moving on to Year 1 and Clay class. Well done Riley, Nasser and Kesha. From Matisse class, the children earning the Emerald certificates are Misbah, Christina and Sarah. Well done to those three children. And in Picasso class, we have Alma and Justina. So now we're moving to Year 2. And a big well done to Far. From Ennis class, we've got Anna Maria, Sammy and Amy. Well done to you. And finally, from Holmes class, we have Vanessa and Julia. Did you manage to count the number of certificates? I wonder if you got it right. I got 33. Let's see if we can even get more next week. Keep up the great work and see you next week.